In this video, we are going to see how we can get rid of this problem. Give us a minute. We are updating photos. It should be ready to use again shortly. Get help with us. So if you are experiencing this error, here's a quick solution for you. Now the method one is very simple. Just go to the start menu and right here, troubleshoot settings, hit enter. And from here, we will choose other troubleshooters and scroll all the way down to the bottom where you see the Windows Store apps, or maybe somewhere else you will find that. If you can't find it, you just write at the top Windows Store, find and fix problem with Microsoft Store apps. Click on that, click on next, and it will recommend you after that what is the problem. It says user account control should be enabled. So you click on enable and it is detecting some other problems. And it says that you can reset the apps that aren't working in the apps and features. Select the apps that is not working and then reset. So you click on apps and features, whatever app you're facing the problem with. Let's say in this case, it's photos. You click on the three dots, click on the advanced options and scroll all the way down to this section where it says repair. You just repair it once. If it doesn't solve the problem, you can reset that as well. So hopefully that should work, but if not, let's move to the next step. And the next step is also very simple. We'll just go to start menu and you write here WS reset and you will get the command prompt like this. So just right click on it, run as administrator, and it will open up the directly Microsoft Store for you. And on the left hand side, we will click on this download section, and here you will get all the applications that is installed in the Microsoft Windows. So we need to check for updates for all, and maybe you will get the option of update all directly here. You can also click on this individual one and update it from here, but let's wait for it to update from this button. And this way it will check for the update for every single thing, and it will recommend some of the updates for specific apps. So if it recommends the apps update, you just go ahead and update that. And hopefully again, it solves the problem. If not, let's move to the method 3. And method 3 is you just go to the start menu right here, settings, and you just head over to the app section on the left hand side, and we click on the installed apps. And like I shown you earlier as well, you just head over to the photos and you just click on the three dots next to it, click on the advanced options. And from here, you just scroll all the way down and select repair or reset accordingly. First of all, just try repair and then try to open the photos. And if it doesn't work, just try to reset. And after that, just remember that you need to restart your computer once in order to make that effective. So hopefully that should work as well. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.